Hello, friends! Today we're learning something super fun, how to draw 5 cute kawaii shapes. We'll draw a circle, square, triangle, star, and heart, all with adorable faces. This is perfect for learning shapes and practicing drawing. Let's get started. Let's start with a circle. A circle is perfectly round, like a ball or the sun. Circles are everywhere. Wheels, plates, coins, and even bubbles. To draw a circle, we go around and around until the line meets where we started. Now let's give our circle the cutest kawaii face. Big eyes and a little smile. Our circle is so happy because circles can roll and play. Next is a square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Squares are strong and sturdy, like boxes, windows, and building blocks. We draw one side, then another, and one more. Four sides make a perfect square. Let's add a sweet kawaii face. Squares are great because they can stack on top of each other. Our square looks so friendly and solid. Now let's draw a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. It looks like a mountain or a slice of pizza. Triangles are pointy at the top. We draw one side at an angle, then another side meeting it at the top, then a straight line across the bottom. Add those adorable kawaii eyes and smile. Triangles remind us to show others the way. Our triangle looks so happy pointing up to the sky. Time for a star. Stars have 5 points and they shine bright in the sky. To draw a star, we make 5 triangular points going around in a circle. Stars are special because they sparkle and twinkle. Let's give our star a super happy kawaii face. Stars remind us to shine bright and be special. This star is so cheerful, maybe it's shining just for you. Last but not least, a heart. Hearts are the symbol of love and kindness. To draw a heart, we make 2 bumps at the top that come together in a point at the bottom, like 2 circles hugging each other. Hearts are so special because they show we care. Add the sweetest kawaii face to our heart. This heart is full of love and happiness, ready to share smiles with everyone. Now, let's make our shapes colorful and bright. I'm using red for the circle, like a bouncy red ball. Blue for the square, strong and calm. Yellow for the triangle, sunny and cheerful. Orange for the star, shining and joyful. And pink for the heart, sweet and loving. You can choose any colors you like. This is your artwork. Look at all 5 shapes together. They're like a rainbow of cute friends. Each shape is different and special in its own way. The circle can roll. The square can stack. The triangle can point. The star can sparkle. And the heart can share love. Together, they make a wonderful, colorful family. Which shape do you like best? Amazing work, friends! You just learned to draw 5 cute kawaii shapes. You can use these shapes to draw so many things. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun tutorials, like this video if you love learning shapes, and comment your favorite shape below. Keep practicing and happy drawing, friends!